Hello, guys. Again, with the strategic management, a new topic. Often, students confuse between outsourcing, offshoring, nearshoring, and onshoring. These four approaches are used in the strategic management. We will be discussing these four strategic approaches with the help of relevant example to differentiate between them. First of all, outsourcing. Outsourcing is actually contracting a third party to perform a certain job or services for your company. An example of this can be a company outsourcing their transportation services to DHL or TCS to deliver the products for the company to the customers or to pick the some parts from the supplier to the company. This is an example of outsourcing, and another example could be Suzuki, Toyota, Honda are actually outsourcing their parts to the third parties. This is a common practice in the automobile company to outsource their parts inspection and other some services to the third parties in the manufacturing industry. Uh, Another concept is offshoring. Offshoring is actually when you are outsourcing your services or production to a third party in the overseas country. An example, this can be Zara, Spain is manufacturing their clothes or their parts from the Bangladesh. And similarly, the Apple is manufacturing their uh, parts from Taiwan, Korea, and China. The interestingly, Apple is located there. R&D in America, but their manufacturing or assembly plant is located in China. This is another example of the offshoring. Another example is onshoring. Onshoring is actually when you are outsourcing within the country. For example, Park Suzuki has outsourced some of the parts to Infinity Engineering, which is a local manufacturer of the different auto parts. This is an example of the onshoring. Ford may outsource their parts to a local manufacturer in the US. This is another example of the onshoring. Finally, the nearshoring is when actually a company is outsourcing their parts to a nearby country. This is according to the internationalization theory, which suggests that companies should outsource their parts to the national, to the company which is located to national boundaries of an organization. This will be actually helping the companies to get the advantage of the low transportation costs, resemblance in the cultural differences. So this will enable the companies to obtain better cost advantages. An example of this, the American companies often outsourcing their parts, their production services to Mexico, which is located nearby America. Pakistan and Indian companies are also outsourcing their products, their parts or services to Chinese company. This is another example of the nearshoring. So I hope with the help of different relevant example we are able to differentiate between outsourcing, offshoring, nearshoring, and onshoring. Thank you.